Shalom Habarim. If there's two things a man of God, a wise man of God should have, or a righteous woman for that matter, right? It's a holy law, holy Torah, holy Bible. And then it is a wisely written self-mastery calendar. Because, think about this, life, as it happens, day in, day out, hallelujah, right? All these different things happen in life every day. We meet people. People present ideas to us. We walk by a business. We think, okay, hey, I could go to work there. What could, et cetera, et cetera. Somebody calls us. We go somewhere. Here, plus, minus, money in, money out, plus, et cetera. How do you manage all of this wisely? Real simple. By practically applying wisdom in your life, right? And by something like this right here. Take a look at this. You're looking at an example page from a self-mastery calendar, right? With the most relevant cycles of life that I was in on that day. The short lunar units of 3 hours, the long lunar unit of 3.5 days, the annual life cycle period of 52 days, the simple overall period of human life, and then also just the day and the date, okay? And then you put your appointments in here from AM to PM and so on. Some of you might ask, why would a man do this? I'll tell you why. Y'all see what this says right here. Psalm 90 verse 12. So teach us to number our days, that we may gain a heart of wisdom. Now pay close attention. This is for real. What you are looking at right here, dear guests, friends, viewers, family members, is the exact thing that this says right here. The numbering of our days. In other words, life is cyclical. Every one of us is within about 9 different cycles of life that are important, okay? And you got to map these out. Ideally, every day there's a page for that day with all the life cycles visible. What I'm telling you is the absolute truth. This is from the Holy Torah, the Old Testament, the book of Psalms, Psalm 90 verse 12. There's a thing in Hebrew called hakafot. They're called cycles. Life is cyclical. Also, check out another book that is called Self-Mastery and Fate with the Cycles of Life. Talking about this book right here, arguably, next to the Holy Torah itself, the most precious book in existence, okay? And it's filled, completely filled with wisdom that correlates to the Holy Law, specifically the Hakafot, the cycles of life.